Okay, we're here in a pumpkin patch.
You gotta send me that picture of me in that
Oh, there, you need this, Maya, to carry your pumpkin. How big it is. Okay, sanitize her, Jin. There's Maya pulling her. I like this one right here. Oh, look at the Maya got one already.
This one's Auntie Amber.
Oh, that's Auntie Amber?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, this is very fun too.
Where?
Oh, this one. I need to put my hair top.
I like the way they do it over there. Oh my god, there's some more in here. Oh, I like this. It's really cute. Right there, the small one.
This one?
Oh, there's
I want to find a perfect one.
You want to find the perfect one?
Yeah.
What maze? Is that a maze?
That's a maze. That's a maze. That's a maze.
How you gonna leave your pumpkins?
Yeah, we can live in that kind of thing. Oh, I like this one. Big. What is that right there?
Somebody watch my pumpkin.
Okay, look at there. Nobody can.
No, you're coming with me.
Oh, it's a hay.
I'll go in there. You're not going?
It's a beautiful.
I was going with you.
Okay. Oh, come on. Hurry up.
Okay, Amaya.
Over here,
Slow
over
down,
here.
baby. Where you at?
I'm over here.
Okay.
No, there's a block.
Oh, there's a black, see?
Yeah, I found blocks.
No, going this way. Where you at?
I'm over here. I'm over here. I'm right here.
Okay, but we're going this way.
Yeah, but there's a block.
Okay, go.
Skeleton.
Oh, it's a black.
Oh, well, see, I
I
told
think
you.
that's what they. Oh,
You
okay.
can't go under there. It's a block.
Okay, go.
That's the block. That's where I found
No,
the block.
but that's what the exit. Yun naman. It's black.
No blocks. Must be this way.
Yeah, this one. See? Yay!
Let's go back.
Oh, this is all we got right here. I got my little squash. Your pumpkin.
What are you doing?
Got another pumpkin.
See, bring her money. It's done. We're done. $14, the big one.
got a little bag.
This one, this is yours?
Yeah.
All the small one is Maya, right?
No, you didn't. That's all you got. No, I forgot this.
No, that's all yun. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Galing nagluwa ng pumpkin. So, anyway, magluluto tayo ng hapunan. Bago dumilim. Nandito ako ngayon sa labas. Dito ako magluluto. At saka ang lulutuin natin ngayon ay sinampalukan na manok. Okay guys, ito yung manok natin. Ano lang ito siya, yung half na yung dalawang chicken breast. Tapos ito ang natin, ginger, garlic, onions, tomato, at saka yung ang ating tamarind soup. Okay, and ito gagamit tayo ng oil, and then nakaredy na yung tubig. Ano na yan guys, 2 cups. So pag kulang dagdagan natin. Ground black pepper and salt or patis. Pwede kayo gumamit ng patis. Saka yan ang ating gulay. Yung bok choy, pitsay. Ayan guys. Mainit na yung kaldero natin. So maglagay na tayo ng oil.
Here you go, Oma.
Baby.
You're welcome.
Gamit kasi mainit. Okay, so we're gonna lower our heat. Mabilis uminit ang atin kalan kasi yung butane. Okay, start with the garlic. Ito niya makita yung niluluto
Garlic
ko.
makes everything smell delicious.
She like garlic rice, that's why she like the
I like the
smell
smell.
of the garlic.
Garlic makes everything smell better. Even fish. Chicken.
So next our ginger.
Ginger. Onion.
Onions. So next our
Tomatoes.
Tapos i-add na natin ang ating chicken summer.
Yeah, it's like September weather. On my birthday, it was cold.
Okay, next to that is our
Chicken.
chicken. There you go. Okay, so takpan muna natin. Okay, babalik pa rin na natin. Babalik pa rin natin guys. Ayan. So, tatakpan natin uli and maybe another 2 minutes. Okay, so it's 2 minutes. So there you go.
Whoa! Smells good.
I'm trying to. Smells good.
That's what I just said.
Okay, so we go ahead.
And
Add our salt first, baby. Our salt
I thought it was black pepper.
and
Black pepper.
black pepper. I love black pepper.
Me too. I love to put on my pasta.
Okay, so we go ahead and add our water. Oh, not yet that one, baby. I put that the after in a little bit. We're gonna boil it first. Gusto matuto ng ako kung magluto. There you go. We're gonna let it boil and then
We add the soup mix.
add the soup mix, the tamarind.
Yay!
And yes, boiling now. So we go ahead and add our
Soup mix.
sinigang mix. Soup mix. Oh, I put a lot of everything. Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This one I put, I'm not gonna put all of them because it's a lot. I don't wanna.
It's a sour one. It's a sour soup.
So we'll see later after we taste it if we can add some more. Yeah, guys, it's nice out there.
It's nice outside today, everyone. That's why today we went to the pumpkin patch.
Look at my
Look
apo,
at the
makulit.
and the birds in the sky.
Okay guys, tikman na natin. Ayan, dumidilim na dito sa labas. Oh, ang sarap ng ng asim. Pero mag-add ako ng kunting salt. Ang asim, okay na siya. Alright, ayan. Sarap na, mabango. So, we go ahead add our gulay. Unahin natin ang guys, ang yung matigas. Yan Okay. Sunod na natin ang ating the rest ng gulay. Okay, takpan natin. Ayan guys, luto na. So, ano na natin? Turn off. Ayan, luto na yung sinampalukan na manok. Ready na tayo kakain.